Want to zoom in slowly on your video in CapCut for PC? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do that using keyframes. It's easy and gives your video a smooth, professional feel. First, import your clip into the timeline. Now move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to begin and make sure it's selected. Go to the top right side of the screen and find the transform section. Click the small diamond icon next to scale to add a keyframe. This marks the start of your zoom. Next, move the playhead forward along the timeline to where you want the zoom to end. Try to give it at least a few seconds for a slow zoom effect. Now increase the scale value slightly. For example, change it from 100 to 120. CapCut will automatically add another keyframe. You now have two keyframes, one at the original scale and one at the zoomed-in scale. When you play the video, it will smoothly zoom in between those 2 points. To make the zoom slower, drag the keyframes farther apart. To make it faster, move them closer together. And that's how you zoom in slowly in CapCut for PC. If you found this helpful, like the video for more quick editing tips. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.